Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven, and in this video we're going to be using Uoma Beauty products for the first time. So the first product I'm going to go in with is the Uoma Beauty Brow Pro Baby Hair. Sorry, I cannot talk. And it's in the shade 006, and it's very pigmented, showed up really well on my skin. I feel like it was just, like your average brow pencil, but I mean, I liked it. And usually when I first do my eyebrows, they look really thick, and I don't know why, but I get it to the way I want it to look when I go in and clean them up with concealer, so it all works out for me. And here I am going to just clean it up with some concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Wear, I believe in the shade Deep Olive. It is a bit light, but I blend it out quite a bit when it comes to the rest of the face. Anyone who starts with their brows first when doing makeup, it always looks crazy at first and then it starts to come together. Next, I'm just going to go prime my eyes with that same concealer. I like to leave my concealer wet after blending it out. I don't know, I just feel like whenever I try to set it with setting powder, it ends up making my eyeshadow look a bit patchy. That's just my take on it. I feel like wet concealer allows the eyeshadow to stick better and just show up a lot better. So that's how I like to do my concealer. And I'm using one of the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palettes. It's the ones that came out, and there were 4 of them. I can't remember the name, but if you're interested, I'll list it somewhere down in the description box below. And this eyeshadow look went a lot deeper than I wanted it to, but we made it work, and it looked bomb afterwards. So love me some purple. If you've noticed in my videos, I always have something playing on my TV. I don't know why, but yes, I always have something playing on my TV. And I think I have Law & Order SVU in the back, so it's pretty much one of the only shows I watch still. And here I'm just using micellar water to clean off my lid and prepare it for my lid color. And I feel like doing this just helps your lid color pop a lot more. And the initial shade that I went in with, it was much darker than I thought it was gonna be. So you'll see me go back in with like a lighter pinkier shade, just because I really want my lid to stand out. I didn't want it all deep. So I just added another shade on top of it to make it pop more. felt like it looked good. So the next thing I'm going to go on with is my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I really been loving this primer. So, and here I'm applying the Uoma Beauty Say What foundation in this shade T3C. I was so happy that I got matched for this before the whole pandemic and things started to get shut down. So I was able to order this off of the Uoma Beauty website, knowing like my shade, and it was a great match. I really loved how it blended into my skin. It was a beautiful blend at that, and it really just covered a lot of my imperfections, and that's what we love. We don't love any imperfections around here. Cover them up. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my Uoma Beauty Stay Woke Concealer. Now that look that I made was just because of the shade. It wasn't the product itself. So I'm using the shade Black Pearl T1, and I didn't realize how close it was to my skin tone shade. So it didn't really give me too much of a brightening effect, but it definitely does conceal. It definitely does do its job. So I will be using this concealer if I'm doing like a minimalistic look. But I definitely would order another one in my highlighting shade. So here I'm just going back in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Now this one is in the shade Deep Chestnut, and that's just to brighten up my under eye. And it all blended really well together. Next I'm going to go in with the Uoma Beauty Double Take Sculpting Stick in the shade Brown Sugar. Now I'm usually not a big fan of cream contours, and that's only because when blending it can get messy. I feel like the next time that I use this, I probably would apply it to the brush first and then blend it out onto my face. But it's just sometimes it can be tedious work to blend in a cream contour. And that's not saying anything bad about the product itself, because the product itself is beautiful. It made me look snatched, and that's what we love. But just, you know, keep in mind on your blending abilities when it comes to cream products. And I don't know why I didn't realize that the other side of this stick was a highlighter. I don't know what I thought it was, but I did not think it was a highlighter. And I felt the best way to apply this side, because again, it's another cream product. I applied it on my brush first, and then I hit all my high points. And I really love this look because it makes me it gives off that glow from within feel, and that's what I love. So and here I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow a little bit, adding some on my bottom lash line, a little inner tear duct. And then I am going in with my Fenty Beauty blush, another cream product. I will tell you guys all the shades down below that I don't mention that are outside the Uoma Beauty products. And here I'm just lining my lips and dressing them up. But that is all for the Uoma Beauty products that I have used in this video. All of the products performed very well, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend, 10 out of 10 would buy again. So yeah, I really enjoyed using all those products. Alright guys, and here is the finished look. This is the look I get for using Uoma Beauty products, and they turned out really well. I love this look. It's bold, but you know, subtle at the same time in a sense. But yeah, so this is my finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think. Leave a purple heart for me. Are there purple hearts? I don't know, but if they are, use them. But yeah, I hope to see you guys again in future videos.